Hey everyone, it's Cherie here, and today I'm very excited to bring you our very first Felicity Jane kit for 2021, and this is the Krystal Kit. So it's just arrived on my doorstep, so I thought I would give you a closer peek at what's inside. So here's Krystal herself. That's a really cute card you could be able to use. All right, let's unwrap this thing. Ooh, we have some wood veneers here, some sticky notes. That's super cute. These stamps. I'm loving what's inside here. So I'll get everything out of the box and give you a closer look. Okay, so as you can see, there are lots of beautiful things included in the kit this month. So let's have a closer look. Let's start off with the Krystal Puffy alphabet stickers. I'm loving this font. We have lots of numbers on the back there as well, and some punctuation down here. So that is in black, the Puffy alphabet stickers. Next up, let's take a look at the stamp set. I love this stamp set. I know I'm going to be using this a lot. These little houses along the bottom, my absolute favorite. There's also a little vase here with some stems. There's a couple to choose from there. You could mix and match those. There's a little flower here as well, and a little teeny tiny flower center. You could also use that to create a background if you like. You could use the flower for that as well. There's little sentiments such as a home, a place of belonging. This made me smile today with a little arrow there that is a separate stamp. There's the simple stuff, conversation, growing together, today's self-care, little teeny little heart stamp there too. This one says on the menu. We have a little set of three little stems here. We've got a line stamp there. This one says love. This is the life. I love, love, love this stamp here with a little house in the center, and it says around the house. I'll be using that a lot. There's these four little stamps here. They're all in one. So you could use those with the stems, or you could use them to create a background on your paper. That would be fun too. And if your name happens to be Krystal, there's the teeny little Krystal stamp down the bottom corner there that you could use as well. So that is the Krystal stamp set, and I am loving that one. Next up, we have the wood veneers. These are adorable. We've got two little houses here. There are some hearts as well, and these little flowers. And what I love is the flowers have little holes in the center, so you could thread them onto some twine or thread to use on your page, which would be a lot of fun. We also have the Krystal charms. I love when we get charms in the Felicity Jane kits. There's so many things you can use these for. This one has a little floral charm here. We've got a black heart, some green gingham, the word love, teeny little house, which is just adorable, and the word home. So lots of uses for those. I can't wait to use them. We also this month have some sticky notes, and the great thing about these are it has the 6 holes punched down the side, so it's going to fit into your 6-ring binder perfectly. Really handy. There's 25 of each sheet, so you could use them for journaling on your pages. You can use them in your planner. You could use them to add journaling to a photo. So many different uses, or just use them in your everyday note taking. So that's a lot of fun. Krystal sticky notes, 25 sheets in each of those little pads. All right, these other things, I think I'm going to take them out of the pack and give you a closer look at those. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, next up we're taking a closer look at the chipboard bits. There are 13 pieces in this pack, and I've zoomed in so you can have a really good look at these. We have 5 little Polaroid frames. These are adorable. They're just over 1 inch high and just under 1 inch wide. So they're super cute. 5 different colors there. We also have this adorable little bird. I love that. We've got a little flower here, which is really pretty. We've got a pink heart that has a very subtle white grid on it. We have this little banner piece, and then we have the "This is me" wording. Love that. There's also "Don't overthink it. It's fine in everyday life." It's fine. I use that all the time. I'm always saying it's fine. So I'll be using that on a spread for sure. All right, they are the chipboard bits. Absolutely loving the colors in this kit, particularly the greens. So pretty. So I'll move on to the die cut shapes. So here we have the Krystal die cut shapes. There are 31 pieces included in this pack. So as you can see, it is full of really pretty things. These florals are absolutely stunning. I love those. We also have a cute little vase of flowers here, little pink flowers. I love this vase with the stripes. I'd love one of those in real life. We also have the little cocoa mug here with black polka dots, my absolute favorite. We've got this banner piece here that says home is my happy place. We've got finding joy in my journey, one of a kind, hard work. We've got some labels over here, perfect for stamping the date or a phrase onto. There's Krystal herself looking very cozy in her winter jacket. We've got a set of 5 little houses at the bottom here in different colours, nice neutral colours too, so you could use them on any sort of project. We've got this super adorable house here, and I love the little window box. That is super cute. We've got this pink gingham tag here, some little hearts. We've got a pink heart, a green heart, and a black heart. There's this cute little stem. We've got the title Big Dreams. This piece here says showing up for myself today so I can show up better for you tomorrow. There's also a little set of 4 snowflakes, which is really cute. So they are the die cut shapes. Okay, so let's take a look at the journaling cards from the Krystal Kit. As always, there are 12 cards included in the kit. On the back of the cards, there is always either a grid or a dot grid pattern, which is perfect for journaling, nice and neutral. You can use it for a lot of different things. So let's take a closer look. This is my favorite card, this little house with a cute little window box. It is absolutely adorable. Then we have this pink card with a really subtle dot pattern over it. We've got this black and white card here. You could turn this around and use it however you wish. It's got a lovely diagonal black stripe on here. You could add a photo to this, some journaling and embellishments, whatever you like. We've got this lovely home card here in green, and I'll definitely be using this card. I love it. This one here has a really lovely soft pink and white stripe on it. You could use that for journaling. It's going to be perfect for that because it already has the lines there for you, or you could decorate it with embellishments. This one here is like a greeny grey colour with this white grid. I love this one. Bold stripes with all the beautiful colours from the kit. Really pretty floral card. That is gorgeous. I love that. This one here says today's top 3, and we have some lines already there to help you with your journaling. We have a green gingham pattern here, love that one. Then we have this really fun animal print. You could add a photo to that, a little bit of journaling down here with some embellishments, whatever you like. I love that one, that's really fun. And then we have this mustard coloured library style card. You could use this for your journaling. I like to add journaling with vellum over the top, which is another fun way to use this card as well. So they are the 12 journaling cards from the Krystal Kit. Okay, so the last item we have in the kit is the paper pack. This is the packaging piece. It's always included. Make sure you keep that. You can use it for lots of different things. You could punch shapes out of it, use it on traveler's notebook spreads or layouts, whatever you like. So that's just a really fun thing to use, and it's good not to waste it. So it's got all the miniature versions of the papers in the kit, and really fun to use. All right, so we have the floral paper here, which is absolutely stunning. On the reverse, we have some spots here. Down the side, this branding strip, we have a green gingham pattern. Next up is this green Swiss dot. And then on the back, we have this plus sign pattern and a pink polka dot down that branding strip. Next up we have this gorgeous pink gingham pattern. On the reverse of this one is the dotty diagonal pattern there, very subtle, but I love that. I'll be using that one. And then we have, it's like a subtle green grey down this branding strip with a white stripe. Next up is this mustard tuxedo stripes pattern. That's really fun. And then we have a wood grain on the back and super cute little houses down that branding strip. Then we have these stripes in 2 different shades of pink. Oh, I love that one. On the back is this grid pattern. Whoop, we've lost our focus here. Okay, so there we have the grid, and then we have this green with white stripes down the branding strip. Next up we have this tiny floral pattern. How beautiful is that one? Super cute. And then on the reverse we have some hearts. They are really cute as well. And then we have this little like a dotted scalloped pattern down that branding strip. As always, we have the 2 solid colour papers included in the paper pack. So this one we have the pink on one side and a lighter pink shade on the reverse. There is always the scalloped pattern down the branding strip area there that you can either include in the page or cut off to use as a separate piece. We also have this green on one side and that green grey colour on the other, which is really lovely. So that is the paper pack from the Krystal Kit. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing all the bits and pieces included in the Krystal Kit today. Please let me know if you've got any questions. I'll leave a link down below to Felicity Jane so you can go and check these goodies out for yourself. I'm sure these are going to sell out really fast, so make sure you're getting quick if this is something you're looking at getting. So thank you for joining me. I look forward to bringing you some projects using the Krystal Kit very soon. Have a great day. Bye for now.